In this video, we'll look at 4 different ways the Zenith system is set up for use. While there are multiple ways the system could be connected, these 4 are the primary configurations that inspectors use to assemble and operate Zenith. First, we'll look at the standard configuration. Majority of inspections using the Zenith are assembled this way. The Zenith tripod system is placed at the top of an asset, whether that be on the roof or at a manway located on the upper side. Thanks to the extension arms, the camera system enters the environment without inspectors breaking the plane for confined space entry. The operator can control Zenith from multiple locations, whether they are right beside the tripod or at a distance further away, typically safe on the ground with other engineers or site management personnel. In fact, Zenith's winch acts as a repeater between the controller and payload, enabling wireless HD video and payload control from over a half a mile away. As with any Zenith configuration, other inspectors or engineers may watch the inspection live by viewing a wireless second screen. In our second configuration, we'll review a scenario where an asset does not have top access via an entry door or manway. In a real-world scenario with Interactive Aerials Inspection Service Team, a tower at a pulp and paper mill did not have top access. Mill engineers pointed out a 2-inch wide vent hole in the roof near the center of the tower. This enabled our staff to feed only the Zenith's cable through a small vent opening without the Zenith's payload attached, then lower the cable 160 feet to the bottom of the asset. Once there, IA staff stood outside the asset's lowest manway and retrieved the cable with a shepherd's hook on the end of a pole. They attached the Zenith box, then placed it back inside without ever breaking the plane of confined space. The Zenith successfully inspected the tower with 100% asset coverage, then was safely removed the same way it was put in. In the third configuration setup, we'll look at completing a successful inspection even when the manway isn't near the required inspection surface. With Zenith's 30x zoom camera, users can zoom in live during an inspection to see a crack as small as 1/32 of an inch from 30 feet away. For example, take the internal inspection of a rail car where the access door is located in the center, but an inspector would need to see 15 feet across the container to survey the far side. Or maybe an API inspector needs to see the opposite side of a storage tank when the access door is only on one edge of the vessel. The advanced payload on the Zenith enables an operator to complete these types of inspections with ease. Our last configuration is by utilizing existing infrastructure built around the manway. In many cases, assets with top entry have beams built over them to effectively lower equipment inside for outage maintenance and repair. In this instance, Zenith is successfully deployed inside an environment without using the tripod, gantry, or extension arms. The operator would simply detach Zenith's winch system and mount it to existing infrastructure by using hardware specific to this application. These 4 configurations are the primary ways that Zenith is used. However, contact our team to learn more about each way the Zenith system is simplifying inspections across multiple industries.